everyone, welcome to the new science class. On last class, we studied how to measure matter, and we know that we measure matter by measuring the two properties, mass and volume. We already learned last class about how to measure mass, and today we are going to be studying how to measure volume. I'm gonna put it in here. There are different ways of measuring volume. It's going to depend on the physical state of matter the object that we are going to measure is in. We can measure the volume in a solid, we can measure the volume in a liquid, and also in the gas. But for today, we are going to learn how to measure volume in liquids. So, as in mass that we had the scale as an instrument, also in order to measure volume, we are going to have more than one instrument. We are going to have something called graduated cylinder. I have this that is not a real graduated cylinder, but it's what I have in my house. Pipettes, something similar to this, flasks, and also burettes. Some of the things that we are going to use in order to measure the volume. And what is going to be the unit of measurement? We are going to have two principal units of measurement that are going to be the liters and the milliliters. So, as you can see in here, I have some stuff in order to measure the volume of the water that I have in here. As you can see in here, I have a syringe. It says in here that it is for 25 milliliters. So if I have this glass of water and I move in here, 25, that's one. I'm gonna do it again. That's gonna be 50. I'm gonna do it 4 times. 75. And if I do it 4 times, you're going to see that it's going to reach until the line that says 100 milliliters. Now, in here, I have 500 milliliters of oil. But I happen to have 2 bottles, 500 plus 500. 1000 milliliters is going to form 1 liter. Okay? And finally, the last experiment we are going to do is measuring the water that I have in this bottle. In here, it is said that we have 750 milliliters. In here, I marked this in order to measure until 1 liter. Let's see if this has 750, needs to be something like in here in the middle. So I'm gonna put the water in here. Okay? And if you come closer, you're going to see that this is 700 and this is 800. As this is in the middle, that is correct. This bottle is going to have 750 milliliters. That is going to be the volume of the liquids that we have inside. That is going to be everything for today's class. Please remember how to measure volume by using these instruments, and the units of measurement are liters and milliliters. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.